is something that no one could ever be able to change. Where people are united, God dwells. And the success that we are soliciting rests in your unity as a nation. Remember one thing: there's only one God and only one human race. The color of your skin doesn't define who you are, but the blood in you defines you. Human beings have all red blood, meaning they are all the same. When we say there's only one human race, we are making no mistake. When God does His will, only one family survived that time. And that was the family of Noah, where all of us are coming from. The truth is one. It is the one that Jesus is telling us. Just to be our brothers and sisters. Let the color of our skin not divide us. There's a reason why God placed us in Africa. There's a reason why our counterparts were placed in different parts of the world. There's a reason why your pigment is black. Because this vein, which is Africa, points to one thing: that you are from a hot place. A hot place will always produce a dark pigment. That is why you are black. But your blackness doesn't define you. What you are a human being. You were created in the image of God. And God is not black, no white. He is the God of all nations. He is no color. He cannot be defined by color. He can only be defined by the character. Because God is the character. That's what we have lost in South Africa. We have lost the character of God. That's why the situation is as it is. Today, we have come to play. To calculate the manifesto and plan for it. That we the one we have pronounced. A manifesto is not only what we say, it's what we are pledging to do. It is not a promise, but it is what we are pledging. This is our day. Of pledging to God what we are going to do with His people. God the Almighty, we know that You know our hearts. Rest us this day. Bless our kings. Bless Main comes
senze
truthful
sibe
to our
baqinisekileyo
souls
imiphefumulweni yethu
so that we can lead
ukuze sikwazi ukukhokela
your people with dignity
abantu babo ngesidima
and fulfillment.
siqinisekise sigcine
Fellow servants,
servants
what makes you honorable
into kwenza ukuba uhlonipheke
is to keep your word.
ukugcina ilizwi lakho
When you're able to honor your word,
xa ukwazi ukugcina ilizwi lakho
then you're honorable.
uyahlonipheka
If you can't honor your word,
xa ungakwazi ukugcina
you
elakho
will be
ilizwi
truthful to yourself.
awuqinisekanga ngalapha kuwe
When God gives us
uthixo xa isinika
this mandate to lead South Africa,
umyalelo ukuba sikhokele
one thing
afrika
you must know
into ofuneka siyazi
is that we are not a government
kuba asikho rhulumente
for the people who voted us in.
wabantu abasivoteleyo
For we are government for the creation of God.
kodwa sirhulumente wendalo kathixo
Wherever we go,
apha siya khona
you must understand one thing.
kumele uqonde into
This
eyodwa
government has failed
urhulumente lo uhlulakele
because
ngoba
instead of saying
nokunokuba yena athi
better life for all,
impilo entle kubantu bonke
they have made it a lip service
ayenza ibe into
and prefer
bakhetha
to have a better service for their own race,
benze iservice engcono
better service
kubakhokeli
for the few
kodwa iservice
who
yenzela abantu abambalwa
voted them in.
abo ababavoteleyo
We must not be like that.
singabi njalo ke thina
This country,
leli lizwe
this land
lomhlaba
belongs to God
uvela
and
kuthixo
resources. And its resources, it must serve everyone.
kumele isevise wonke umuntu
Serve even your enemy.
nalowo usisitha sakho
For serving your enemy
ngoba xa usenza isitha sakho
will be a blessing unto God.
uzawuba kumfikelelo phezu kwakho livela kuthixo
This day
olu suku
must be marked as a new day for all of us.
kumele limiswe njengelisuku olutsha kuthi sonke
We shall be mandated by our kings and queens.
elithunyelwe kulo ziikumkani zethu
And our chieftaincies.
nazo zonke iinkosi zethu
I want to say to you, servants,
thanda kuthi kuni seven
better be
ungcono
truthful to yourself
ube neqiniso kuwe
and to God
nakunkulunkulu
than be truthful to men.
kunokuba ube neqiniso kuthi ebantwini
Let this country be saved
mayikhululeke lelilizwe
by our actions unto His creation.
ngezenzo zethu kwindalo yakhe
God bless you
unkulunkulu
and
alusize
walk with you when you go out of the stadium. I thank you.